Hi everybody, the Home Service Pro here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean out a dryer vent by using tools that you already have at your house. It's a quick, easy way of doing it, and it does a very thorough job. I'll get the dryer pulled out, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, I got the dryer pulled out away from the wall, got the dryer vent disconnected. As you can see with this particular dryer vent, it was just a hose clamp holding it on. You just loosen the hose clamp up, and you pull it off this part of the dryer here. And now the dryer vent is disconnected. So now I'm going to show you how to go ahead and clean the dryer vent by using a tool you most likely already have in your house. We're going to use an electric leaf blower. So all we're going to do is take the electric leaf blower and slide this up inside the tube, just a little ways. Doesn't need to be like way up in there, just get it up in there a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and hold this in place and go ahead and turn the leaf blower on. And that's all there is to cleaning out the dryer vent. It'll do a very thorough job because it's blowing at like 800 feet per second, the air, and it's blowing everything that's hanging on into the dryer vent right out the vent outside. Well, there you go, guys. We got the dryer vent. It's all blown out. We used a leaf blower to blow the dryer vent out. It works very thoroughly. With that dryer vent blown out, your dryer is going to dry much better, much faster, and it's less of a risk of a fire. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. Have a great day, and remember, you got this. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks.